We collect data from employers, both at the beginning of program design, during activity mapping, but also post-program. How did it work? When you've hired our learners, what was your experience? What was their experience like? I also do data review with all of our instructors, with all of our students, with all of our staff that touch programs so that we can make sure we're creating the best programs possible. We have over 50,000 graduates in our generation programs. There's at least 80% employment of all of those graduates, and that's measured 90 days after a program. And then 84% of all employers say that generation graduates perform better than average. And so I think that's pretty good data. That tells us that what we're doing in our boot camps actually makes a difference in someone's life. They found employment and they're happy there, and their employers are happy with them too.